So I got an email from Willow Glen Electric to get a quote for how much it would be to install the Powershare equipment as well as the Tesla charger. So they wanted me to submit this form information. So basically, they could get an idea of what work would need to be done to install the Powershare EV, backup everything, and the charger. Right, so they give examples, you submit pictures, you send them all this information, and then they get back to you with a quote. All right, so I got a quote from Willow Glen Electric for installing the Tesla PowerShare stuff, so that way I can charge the truck, the Cybertruck, as well as push power back to the house in the event of a power outage. Obviously, every installation will be different. So for my house, they have the Tesla supplied gateway, exterior back wall of the house. It'll be installed there. And then they'll also install the universal charger on the front of the house. All right, so they're going to use some conduit to run the wiring through and most likely route it also through the attic. And then they're going to put a load management device because the house, the current panel is only 100 amps. So if the charger's pulling a lot of amperage and then the house also is trying to pull power, the load management device will basically detect that and shut off the car charger. And then obviously there's also the city permits and things like that, so they charge for that as well. Right, and you can pause and read through all the stuff that entails with the permits and everything. But yeah. Right, then they require 10% deposit up front and then 90% due upon the completion of the installation. You do want to make sure that you're positive you want to go through with it because there's a 25% cancellation fee if you postpone or cancel within 36 hours of the installation. And here you can see the total. Then they just want you to either accept the quote or decline. I didn't get the picture of it, but at the bottom it says you can also decline the quote. And that's pretty much it.